Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Drax Hall, and Drax Hall is the fastest growing community in Jamaica. This is a northern coastal highway we're turning off, and you see how busy it is. Now this is Total Tools. This is a new hardware store that just opened, but in addition to the Total Tools, they also the store that the location that they're using, the building which is straight ahead, they're also building a plaza to the left. Now Drax Hall grew faster than anybody anticipated. The residential homes were built first. Now remember, Drax Hall is ideally located between two highways. Highway 2000 that takes you from Kingston to Miami Bay, or Kingston to Ocho Rios, and from Miami Bay to Drax Hall is a 1-minute drive. And then the Northern Coastal Highway that takes you from Montego Bay to Miami Bay. So Drax Hall is at the intersection of where those two highways meet. And Drax Hall has grown. Drax Hall is actually a part of St. Anne's Bay. But at the rate that Drax Hall is growing, it's going to be bigger than St. Anne's Bay very soon. So what happened was a lot of residential units were built. And they sold out literally the next day. Or that might be an exaggeration. They sold out within a week. 1,000 homes built, Drax Hall Manor, sold out in no time. A lot of people from the US, Canada, UK bought these homes. There was a waiting list, and then that just opened up the expansion of the area. Another development went up, sold out. Another development went up, sold out. And by the time people realized, Drax Hall had thousands of homes, but Drax Hall had no commercial buildings. They have no post office. They have no police station. They didn't even have a supermarket. Because remember, Drax Hall was always a part of St. Anne's Bay. And in St. Anne's Bay, you have all that infrastructure. And then 5 minutes in the other direction, you had Ocho Rios, which also had all that infrastructure. So nobody really said, okay, Drax Hall is going to need commercial buildings. For instance, just as an example, this facility we're looking at now, back before Drax Hall, it would have been built in Ocho Rios or St. Anne's Bay. But because Drax Hall has grown so quickly, and it is still growing, they are now putting the infrastructure here. Another example, KFC's in Ocho Rios, KFC's in St. Anne's Bay. There's now a KFC in Drax Hall, and the KFC in Drax Hall is busier than the other two KFCs. So it's good. You love the expansion and the development going on in Jamaica. So what you have now is thousands of residential homes, and then the infrastructure, the commercial infrastructure, is now being built. So you have Total Tools being built here. You have about 20 commercial buildings going up. You have restaurants going up. There's a Starbucks, a KFC, a Pizza Hut, a Sakuro, CPJ put up a supermarket, all recently. And the thing is, Drax Hall is still growing. Every empty piece of land that you see in Drax Hall is slated for a development, residential development. So the thousands of homes that are built, you have thousands more under construction and thousands more to be built. Now, the good thing about these developments, or I wouldn't say a good thing, is you don't just build 10, 20 homes. These developments are 1,000 homes, 700 homes in the development. And another reason why Drax Hall did so well is because the developments are based off the Richmond model, Richmond Estate, nicest development in Jamaica. The homes in Drax Hall are built like Richmond. They're built like Richmond. The gated community, the landscaped area. So that's another reason why a lot of people in the diaspora or people that live outside of Jamaica love Drax Hall, because of how the place looks. And they're gated communities, so they're safe. Now, this is the total tools. This is the Northern Coastal Highway, and you see how busy it is. This road in Drax Hall, sometimes it can take you an hour to pass through in peak hour traffic. That's how busy the place is. Now, this road is slated to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, but at the rate Drax Hall is going, maybe they should extend this section to 6 lanes. But we'll talk about that in another video. Alright, so Total Tools is now open. The hardware section is open. And the plaza here that we're looking at, it's still under construction. Should be finished probably by next year. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.